Hi guys, let's unbox and review Sharp AQUOS C10. We can call it Sharp AQUOS S2 also. It is a 5.5-inch FHD Plus display, Corning Gorilla Glass, 2160 pixels by 1080 pixels. Its CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 octa-core, 2.2 GHz, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB ROM. Supports micro SD card up to 128 GB by micro SD card. Its operating system is Google Android 8.0 and it has 3 cameras. Selfie from camera is 8 megapixel f2.0 pixel. Main cameras. Back cameras are 12 megapixel f1.8 pixel and 8 megapixel with dual LED flashlight. Its battery built-in is 2700 mAh battery built-in. It supports GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, NFC Face ID, fingerprint, dual LED flashlight, Bluetooth Type-C USB port, FDD LTE, multi-language menus, and Google Play Store. Also, it supports OTA and LED message notice. Now, we have a lot of store of Sharp AQUOS C10 in our storage. We guarantee the phone's quality because we will test each function of the phone before the shipment, then seal the box again and put the phone into the air-protected bag. Then we will send it to our clients. We are care of your orders. Okay, now let's go into have a look at Sharp AQUOS C10. It is a Europe version. It comes with Europe charger. It is a beautiful display, water drop display. Let's turn it on. Here's Sharp logo, fingerprint sensor is here. The face is Sharp logo. Okay, now has turned on already. Here are all the Google applications it supports, include Google Play Store. Now let's try each camera. (12 megapixel main cameras, f1.8 pixel, very high definition. It is Type-C USB port. And it supports dual nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card. BLD flashlight. It's CPU. 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM. Operating system. Here are all the sensors it supports. All the sensors it supports. It supports NFC. It's a camera. Here are all the languages menus it supports. Global languages menu. NFC, LED notice, LED when the message comes, there's LED notice, face unlock, fingerprint, it is perfect, local languages translation. Now, let's take lesson for example. Perfect local languages translation or a lesson. Let's have a look. Message lesson. They say for other languages. The camera. Okay, let's continue to check what included in the color box. Here are all the accessories in the color box. It will come one piece Europe charger, one piece Type-C USB cable with silicone case, one piece headphone to Type-C adapter, one piece AGPS. It will come one piece hard plated case. Warranty card. The menu with English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Netherlands. However, we have an optional accessory useful especially for you to choose. One is tempered glass, another one is empty impact silicon case. Now I'm going to show them to you. Here's the tempered glasses, original with Sharp logo. The last one is the one-piece silicon case, original. It is anti-impact silicon case. Very good quality. That's all. Thank you for your watching. We speak for ourselves only. We make videos only for our company online store selling and B2B the wholesaling. If you want to buy one pieces or several Sharp AQUOS C10, you can place us the order from our online store directly. We will send it out at the first time. Also, if you want to make business to business of Sharp AQUOS C10, you can contact with our B2B team. Thank you for your watching.